It's really late, but my day just kind of got thrown off a little bit. So I haven't eaten dinner and I'm hungry. So we're gonna make a veggie pasta together for today's Cooking with Christy because it's Meatless Mondays. So we gotta keep it all meatless and vegetarian. What you're gonna need, veggies of your choice. I'm using some asparagus, bell pepper, Italian zucchini, yellow squash. We're gonna use the vegetable ratatouille from Trader Joe's. We're going to use the Autumnal Harvest creamy pasta sauce from Trader Joe's. You can use any pasta sauce of your choice as long as it's meatless, and some sweet grape tomatoes. You're going to bring a pot of water to boil for the pasta, and when that's happening, we're going to go ahead and start chopping up all our vegetables, except these. I'm going to leave these, well, I'm going to half these, but we're going to cut up all of this.
¿Qué vas a hacer, hija?
Vegetable pasta.
¿Ahorita?
Yeah.
¿Cómo la vas a hacer?
With vegetables?
Pero, o sea, ¿vas a cocinar la pasta y los vegetales o cómo?
Yeah.
Si vas a hacer mucho, dame para llevar de lonche.
I don't know cuánto va a quedar, mami. You're gonna be in the camera ahí comiendo, eh?
It's okay. Hi. Daughter followers.
Oh my gosh, you're so weird. Stop.
Want to carry tomatoes?
Stop it. So here we have our nice little vegetable melody going on, which I'm gonna bring and start sauteing in this pan. Alright, so I got my nice little vegetable melody cooking, and I added some garlic salt, as well as a spicy Italian style sprinkle. And then we have our pasta over here. Boiling up. Oh my god, the veggies smell so good. And I just popped in a little bit of olive oil. My camera's about to die, but pasta's done. I added some pasta water in here. Now we're gonna add some of this sauce before we add the pasta. This is literally my favorite pasta sauce. I'm so sad that it's seasonal at Trader Joe's because it's so good. I really zoomed in, but it's literally the most delicious sauce ever. Let the heat up a little bit again. And I'm gonna start adding in my pasta. Alright, I like my pasta gooey, so I added some mozzarella, non-fat mozzarella cheese on top, and I cut up some extra cherry tomatoes just to have a little bit of a freshness to it. But it smells so good. I wish you all could smell it. I cannot wait to try this. Here is the final masterpiece. I'm so proud of it. My mom says it smells really good. So I'm excited to try this. Alright, my mom said, My mom said it's good, so. That's really good. I like that. I wanted to add a lot of flavor to it since it's not going to have meat. And it's perfect. I look like a mess right now. I was going to take a picture for the thumbnail and I forgot. It's okay. I hope you guys enjoyed today's Cooking with Christy. Stay tuned next week for another one. It's going to be lots of little healthy meals that I'm going to be trying out. Maybe some fun ones too. But yeah, until then, bye.